Okay guys, so this is going to be a hand-built teapot demo. I know some of you have already thrown part of it on the wheel. You can use that part in addition to all the hand building stuff that we're going to do, that I'm going to show you hopefully today. It's going to be lots of little steps. This will probably be multi-part YouTube video, but I want to show you all the other options that you have for hand building, since as far as I know you guys don't have access to the wheels. I'm in my studio right now. It's a little chilly, so that's why I look the way that I do, but you know what? It's okay. We've got clay and we've got stuff and we're gonna have some fun. So what I am doing first is I kneaded up 2 chunks of clay. So one chunk of clay is about 3 pounds and one is about 2 pounds, so I have about 5 pounds of clay right there. I don't expect you guys, and there's a cat here, I don't expect you guys to have a scale, unless even like a bathroom scale, but you can guess, and each one of your teapots is going to look different. So if I take and show you, that is going to be what I'm going to attempt to make by hand. So meaning just hand building, no wheel throwing whatsoever, because I want to make it the way you guys are going to have to make it. So I'll give you a second, you can take a screenshot of that. You can see all my planning, all my notes. It's really messy, but that's the basic idea. Mr. L said it kind of reminded him of something from Beauty and the Beast, and I'm like, yeah, I guess I was inspired by that, because Mrs. Potts is awesome. Everybody likes Angela Lansbury. So that's what I'm going to be looking at as I make this today. What I want you guys to do is you're going to have to make probably slabs, but you could also coil build this, and all of you know those basic hand building techniques already. So slab, you know, is the nice and flat slab of clay. Like if you're doing cookie dough and you're cutting cookies out, that's what you're doing. If you're doing coils, you don't have an extruder, but most of you know how to pull coils and also how to roll. And throughout this whole process, I'm going to be showing you a little bit of everything that I have. I do have an extruder here in my studio, but I'm not going to use it because you guys don't have one. So it will be everything by hand, very much like instead of guerrilla warfare, this is guerrilla art making. So what you need to do to make a slab is you could get something like a rolling pin, and I'm hoping most of you have something like this, but if you don't, you can throw the slabs out on your tabletop. Now, if you don't have birch plywood like I do, unfinished, and let's say you're doing this on your kitchen counter, usually those are nice and shiny so that you can wipe them clean from any food that you prep. Put a towel down, put a pillowcase down, do whatever you've got to do to make this so that it doesn't stick to a smooth surface. Just like if we were in our classroom and we've got those big butcher block tables, those would stick without some sort of cloth separating it. So what I like to do for throwing slabs out after we have it kneaded up is I'm just going to pick it up, instead of slamming it down right away, I'm going to slam it down but pull it back toward me at the same time. So it kind of looks like this. Then I'm going to flip the clay over and do it again. And I'm pulling it toward myself. And I kind of want, for my design, sometimes it goes for a ride, I want to have kind of a longer rectangular piece. So I am shooting into 2 cameras right now, so we'll see with the magic of editing how this turns out here. So I like throwing slabs because it's even more consistent and it's quicker than using a rolling pin. Okay guys, so now we're back. I made a couple slabs, so they look like so far. Pretty simple. One's long and skinny and one's short and fat. I'm probably going to need to re-knead whatever clay I have left and make some more slabs, but again, I'm telling myself that right now, besides anything else you guys were able to take home, and again this is for the Auburndale art students. If you're not an Auburndale art student and you're watching this, I'm not quite sure what kind of supplies you have, but if you're one of my kids, I know you should have gotten all the supplies I had set out for you to take home so that you're able to do this. So, I know you're working with about a 25-pound chunk of clay. This teapot, there's a kitty on it, Jeepers. This teapot, there's cat prints in the clay now. is probably going to be lighter than you think. We can still get a minimum of 2 servings, so like 2 nice teacup sizes out of this. So hold on, I'll kind of show you the cup size I'm thinking for you guys. So I'm back. So this is about the size of a good, I don't know, 6 to 8 ounce cup. So if you can kind of tell the size of an adult hand grabbing this cup, we can try and get 2 servings of liquid out of this teapot that we're going to be building together here. So if that kind of helps you for size, kind of go like this. I'd say that's about 4 inches taller, so and about maybe 3 inches wide. Next step is you need to put out a plan. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to lightly draw onto my slabs, and it might take me a couple of tries to get the shape that I want. For you guys, you could draw out stencils using the paper that I gave you in your care packages. So depending on the type of teapot that you make will determine the type of shape that you're going to need. So that's going to be my next step, is I'm going to draw all this out.